I'm David Allen. I grew up round here, a few miles south of here. I'm a professional biological scientist. We are here at Yarty Moor, which is the headwaters of the River Yarty. It's also called Dead Man. It is a Somerset Wildlife Trust reserve, and it is also a special site of scientific interest. Over the last 10 years or so, management has concentrated on getting rid of the drainage that was in place so that it is now wetter. This is Cirsium, the rather handsome meadow thistle. In between the purple moor grass and the meadow thistle is these pale pink spires, spikes of heath spotted orchid, white to very pale pink. Over here we have another sedge, which is a typical component of this kind of vegetation, and this one is called the star sedge. I like to say that sedges have edges because their stems tend to be three-angled, and like maize, their sexes are divided up into separate flower heads. So this at the top of here, this is the male inflorescence and this is female. A little behind the star sedge is a plant of flowering lousewort. It's now in a family because it is a partial parasite, which means that it gets some of its goodies from other plants that it latches onto below ground. We've now come to the bottom of this lovely site, and I was hoping we would find red rattle, and indeed we have. This is marsh lousewort, another of these semi-parasitic plants. Now here in this runnel, some lovely patches here of the oblong-leaved or intermediate sundew, and it's one of the rarities of the Blackdown to this kind of habitat. Super looking thing. The leaves are sparkling and attractive to us, but fatally attractive to little insects. This particular vegetation type is arguably one of the most precious of the Blackdown Hills.